We are the channelers, voices, and healers behind Blue So Earth.
We are thrilled to offer a channeled course on ancient Egypt that will include a past life journey session with spiritual teacher and our co-host, Kristen.
Imagine a nosedive into ancient Egypt without even leaving your home.
Not only will we take you back in time to an ancient civilization that humanity loves, but we will bring you into other dimensions as well.
During the day, we're going to channel some of the more famous Egyptian goddesses and gods from thousands of years ago.
Imagine an interactive dialogue with gods and goddesses and these archetypes from so long ago in ancient history that will come through on the screen in real time, and you'll be able to ask questions, go back in time, and take a journey into other dimensions.
I've teamed up with two of my favorite people, Renee and Anthony, who are these remarkable channels of masters, of gods and goddesses, and of energies beyond this timeline that offer incredible healing and practical advice and wisdom from the timelines of before. So we'd like to invite you to join us for a very special workshop that's going to be coming up. And in this time, I will take you back where you get to experience how did this timeline affect you? What are the gifts and what are the talents that you get to pull back from then that are going to support you today? And what are the things that are probably affecting you that are still maybe a little negative or heavy that you want to let go of? How can we let go of those so that they're no longer influencing you today?
If you have an interest in Egyptian culture, history, or spirituality, or if you happen to connect to sacred geometry, then this will be a day you won't want to miss.
Come with us on a wild journey on Saturday, July 18th, and explore the Egyptian mysteries.
This will be a day you won't want to miss.
So join us. We'd love to travel with you and take you on these intimate, expansive, fantastic journeys that you can't just go with your body, but you can absolutely go with your mind, your heart, and your spirit.